Stop the picture! I said stop the picture, please! Thank you. There's been some mistake. There's nothing in this picture about Paris in the 90s. Furthermore, we agreed on no subtitles. Now, my subject is comedy style of the early talking pictures. There'll be no books to read, you know. There'll be no homework. Since many of the modern students haven't learned to read, I will present my lecture as a motion picture. That's unusual, giving the credits before the course. The cast is a secret. Unless those blabbermouths in advertising have already given it away. Our first episode will feature a radio sketch. You all remember radio? Radio. You know, television without pictures. Oh, they were the A&P Gypsies, the Happiness Boys. There was the Major Bowes Amateur Hour. Oh, if an actor failed on that hour, why, the Major would give him the gong. I hope there's nothing personal in there.
Next we have Elmer Butts.
Ah, yes. Buster Keaton, who always kept a straight face, but his audience never could.
Where are you from, Elmer?
Gopher City, Arizona.
Oh, well. Yes. Oh, yeah. 18 North Spring Street. What do you do, Elmer?
I juggle.
Juggle?
Yes, sir.
You mean to stand there and tell me you come to a broadcasting station to juggle?
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. See, I got it all figured out. I explain each trick to the radio audience as I do it.
Oh, you do? Don't go away, radio audience. This should be interesting.
Well, first I take this empty whiskey bottle.
Are you sure it's empty?
Yeah. I made sure of that. I balance it on the back of my hand, like that. And I turn it a half somersault and catch it on the end of my finger.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
He hit it.
I did it.
And now, friends, we will have your favorite request.
I now take this... I'm glad he's playing. I like music with my tricks. I take this broom and balance it on the end of my toe, and kick it up and catch it on the back of my hand. I missed. Don't go away.
next comedy is a striking example of avant-garde cinema.
Harry Langdon. A wistful little clown with a face of rubber and a heart of pure marshmallow.